So we got this beautiful 2018. It's the E-Face Dynamic. And here for the regular maintenance services, we're gonna replace the rear brakes as it says low on the rear parts. And also we're gonna do the couple of mandatory flush and also the engine oil change, couple of the filters as the service is due on this beautiful Jaguar. So it's a 2-liter engine. If you guys do have the same ones, you can hit it up. We're happy to help you out. Like this. So this customer was just talking about like they didn't get the appointment on time on the dealership, so they choose America Auto, and we are happy to help you out with this. If you have any of the Jaguars, Land Rovers, we have inventory for the oil, filters, and the brake pads with rotors. That's what this customer looking for. Always we try to put the ceramic pads with the coated high carbon rotors. That's what's going on this bit. If you want the same thing, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. This beautiful 2018 430. The customer, they just hit a pothole in the front right. The shock, it goes like 2 inches down to the spindle, and right now it's touching to the CV axle on this car and making a complete smoky from this side while the customer was driving it. This thing got towed up first to the dealership, and they got a big quote over there, and the customer decided for the second opinion. As you know, we are the champ on the second opinion. They come to our shop, we give the best quote in the town, and now this car sits here for the parts. Probably end of today, we're going to get the parts. We need to replace a complete front right shock. Also, we're going to change the CV axle on this one. It's weird out real bad. New tire on this one because the tire will start rubbing the front strut. So new tire on this one. This thing need another alignment thrown up on this one. If you guys do hit anything and you want a best quote in town, you know where to come. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got another day here with this beautiful 2020 Ram 5.7 Hemi. So we're going to show you what exactly happened with the motor. So the piston, they got spun from this side and the other side. All 8 pistons, they're bad. And we are going to change the pistons, connecting rods and everything. That's the brand new piston. That's how it looks like. No scoring on the sides. And we're going to replace all 8 with a new crank, new cam, as this engine got a problem with the head gasket cylinders 8 and 7. They got misfire due to the coolant leak in the piston. And we're going to complete rebuild this Hemi. Yes, if you guys do have any of the Hemi trucks, we are the champ on that one. When we put the first video on this one, we got another Ram sitting outside. They got towed yesterday. They want the rebuild similar to this, but that's an eco diesel engine from 2018. That's a 3-liter. This one is 5.8, multiple different. It comes in a 1500, 2500. If you guys do have any work truck, have a tick sound, most famous on the lifter failure, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Right now, we're going to wrap it up. As you can see, everything on the floor right now. And we're going to advise the customer before we're going to wrap up the motor, put it in the frame. They have a updated part on the manifolds. So we got new manifolds for this one. We're going to advise the customer if they want it. So we're going to put that. It's not a part of a rebuild, but still, it's going to save a lot of labor for the customer and say more longer life on the engine and the manifolds too. If you guys do have any 5.7s, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We'll make sure everything's going to be perfectly nice. You know where to come for a level up job. I'm Ricardo. On to the next car. So we got this beautiful 2012 Audi A4. We just did the rebuild in January, and this is here for the very first service on this one. Also, the AC on this thing is not working. It's a almost 16 years old car, and we're going to check it out. What's happening with it? Most likely, the O-ring by 12 years got flat. If you guys have any of the air condition problem, check it out with the basic first. If you don't know, you can give us a call. We're happy to help you out. And after this done, we got another AC here. So this one, we're going to change a compressor on this one. That's a 2014 Mercedes 350 Blue Tech. And this one need a compressor and the O-ring kit on this one again with the same thing. After 10 years of air condition of any of the cars, vehicles, the seals of the O-ring, like the pipe seals, condenser seals, compressor seals, they got bad. So that is the basic to start with the air condition. That's what we're going to do on this both cars. So if you guys are heated up with summer in your car, you need to get it fixed, you know where to come. Only Ricardo. On to the next car. Here we got this beautiful 2021 Jeep Compass. It's a Trackhawk edition. And we're going to do the front left CBXL on this one. It's insanely leaked. And the rear pinion seal is leaking on that one. Again, that is one with a 4.73 ratio. You're not going to get any of the drive shaft aftermarket on this one. Even the Jeep don't have it. They are waiting for almost a week on this thing. It's 700 something for this. If you have the same Jeep and you're trying to put the aftermarket one, you are going to spun your splines right here. That's what happened with this customer. They came to another shop. They put the aftermarket CBXL in this one. End up having a spline damage on this hub. So luckily we was able to recover that thing, and we're going to put the new CBXL on this one. After that, we're going to change the rear pinion seal, new oil in the duff. If you guys do have any of the Jeeps, make sure you're going to change all your 4x4 fluid in 80,000. Don't listen to anybody, because you end up ruining your rear differential or the front ones. Here we go. We're going to make it done this week. And after that, this X6 is ready here. Just waiting for a DME on this one, because the DME is fried on this one. And it's going to be ready probably in a week. Everything else is done. Engine is rebuilt. We put everything new on this beautiful N55 motor from 2013. That's a 3-liter natural aspirated non-turbo one. So this one is ready to go next week. And this is going to be ready by end of the day. If you guys do have the similar cars and you want the specific jobs done on your car, feel free to give us a call, book your appointment.